Sum number 3. There are two types of fertilizers A and B. There are two types of fertilizers A and B consist of 12% nitrogen and 5% phosphoric acid, whereas B consists of 4% nitrogen and 5% phosphoric acid. After testing the soil conditions, farmer finds that he needs at least 12 kg of phosphoric acid and 12 kg of nitrogen for his crops. If A cost rupees 10 per kg and B cost rupees 8 per kg, then graphically determine how much of each type of fertilizer should be used so that the nutrient requirements are met at a minimum cost. Okay, they are given nitrogen, one criteria is nitrogen and another criteria is phosphoric acid. Fertilizer A, here itself fertilizer B. Okay, fertilizer A can be considered by myself X, B can be considered by myself Y. Okay, nitrogen having 12% of fertilizer A and 4% of fertilizer B. Then phosphoric acid having 12% of A, 5% of A and 5% of B. Okay, cost for fertilizer A is they are given 10 and B for is 8. Okay, the next one, minimum requirements, they are already given. Minimum requirements for the both of them is 12. Okay, right. Then I consider minimum Z. They are asking minimum only, so I take here minimum Z equal to 10x plus 8y subject to the constraint 12% of x. Here itself 12% of x plus 4% of y, and next one 5% of x plus 5% of y. Okay, 12% of x plus 4% of y is greater than or equal to 12. Okay, so I simplifying it, I get 3x plus y is greater than or equal to 300. 5% of x plus 5% of y is greater than or equal to 12. I get x plus y is greater than or equal to 240. Okay, and x comma y is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, and x comma y is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, first I consider this inequality. 3x plus y is equals to 300. I get some points. Substitute x instead of 0 means y 300, y instead of 0 means x 100. So points on the lines are 0, 300 and 100, 0. Okay, then I consider the second line, that is what, x plus y equal to 240. Substitute x instead of 0, y 240, y instead of 0 means x 240. Okay, now we want to solving these two equations, that is what, this one and this one. Okay, solving these two equations means I get x is equal to 30 and y equal to 210. Okay, so we want to quote that all points in the graph. So the first line, that is what, 0, 300 and 100, 0. Okay, so we want to draw that line. Then we want to move the second line, that is what, 0, 240 and 240, 0. Okay, 0, 240 and 240, 0. This is for the second line. Look at that, both are greater than or equal to. Okay, both equations have, both inequalities having greater than or equal to symbols only. So first of all, we want to check x and y. Instead of putting x and y instead of 0, 0 means we get 0 for the left side. 0 is greater than or equal to 300. This is not possible. So the 0 part is not a standard region. So we want to take this quadrant. Okay, so for both equations having unbounded region for the feasible region. Okay, right. So the point of intersection is 30, 210. Corner points of the feasible regions are 0, 300, 30, 210 and 240, 0. So the minimum value of Z we are applying 0, 300 means we get 2400. 240, 0 means 2400. 30, 210 means 1980. That is 1980. So comparing this value, this one is the minimum one. Therefore, minimum value of Z is 1980 at 30, 210. So 30 kg of type A and 210 kg of type B. Okay, that gives only minimum value of Z. Okay, right. Now look at the fourth one. In order to supplement daily diet, a person wishes to take X and Y tablets. The contents in milligrams per tablet of iron, calcium and vitamins in X, Y are given as below. Tablets they are categorized as X and Y, and what are the ingredients in that tablet? Iron, calcium and vitamins. Iron is 6, calcium 3, vitamin 2 for the tablet X, and iron 2, calcium 3 and vitamin 4 for the second tablet Y. The person needs to supplement at least 18 milligram of iron, 21 milligram of calcium and 16 milligram of vitamins. Okay, the price of each tablet of X and Y is rupees 2 and 1, x for rupees 2 and y for rupees 1 respectively. How many tablets of each types should the person take in order to satisfy the above requirements at minimum cost? Here itself they are asking minimum cost. Okay, right. So I fix minimize z, that is what 2x plus y, because they are given cost very clearly. This is 2 and this is what y. So 2x plus y subject to the constraint 6x plus 2y. Okay, 6x plus 2y with the first one. This is 18. Okay, iron consistency is 18 at least. So I put here itself greater than or equal to symbol. So 6x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 18. And I consider the second inequality, that is what 3x plus 3y, and this is what 21 milligram of calcium. So I write here 3x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 21. Next 2x plus 4y, that is what 16 milligram of vitamins. Okay, 16. Okay, now to solve this graphically, we convert the inequations into equation. First I consider this one. Make a simplification, means it becomes 3x plus y greater than or equal to 9. So I write here 3x plus y equal to 9. X, y. I put x instead of 0, I get y, y 9, and y instead of 0 means x is 3. Then I consider the second line, that is what x plus y equals to, that is greater than or equal to 7. Okay, so x plus y equal to 7, I get some points, that is what 0, 7 and 7, 0. And then last one 2x plus 4y is equals to 16. Make a simplification, means it becomes x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 8. So I make it as equation. So x plus 2y is equals to 8. X instead of 0 means y 4, y instead of 0 means x 8. So points on the line are 0, 4 and 8, 0. Now we have three set of equations. So we want to solving these equations. First I solve 1 and 2, 2 and 3. Then I solve 1 and 3. Okay, make a simplification, means we get for the first two line solving is 0.1, 6, and second and third solving is 6, 1. First and third solving is 2, 3. Okay, next I want to write corner points of the feasible region. First of all, we want to draw the graph, then only we are writing feasible region of the corner points of the feasible region. Okay, for the first line, what is the point for the first line? 0, 9 and 0, 9 and 3, 0. So this is the first line, and then second one is 0, 7, 7, 0. So I write here, I draw here 0, 7 and 7, 0 for the second line, and for the third line is 0, 4 and 8, 0. Okay, 0, 4 and 8, 0. Okay, for all equations greater than or equal to inequality only they are given. So the shaded is coming above the line. Okay, so this is a feasible region. What are the points covering on that feasible region? That is what here itself 8, 0, 6, 1, 1, 6, and then 0, 9. So the corner points are 0, 9, 1, 6, 6, 1 and 8, 0. We substitute z equals to 2x plus y, that is rupees of tablet x is 2 and rupees of tablet y is 1. Okay, so we substitute that points in the given z. We get 9, 8, 13, 16 respectively to the given points. So which one is the minimum? 8 is the minimum. 8 is happened at where? 1, 6. So z attain minimum at 1, 6, and the minimum value of z is 8. Hence the person should take 1 tablet of type x and 6 tablet of type y in order to meet the requirements at the minimum cost. Okay, the next one, sum number 5. A manufacturer produces nuts and bolts. It takes 2 hours work on machine A and 3 hours work on machine B to produce a package of nuts. Okay, this calculation is only for nuts, and it takes 3 hours on machine A and 2 hours on machine B to produce a package of bolts. So this is on bolts. He earns a profit of rupees 24 per kg package of nuts and rupees 18 per kg package of bolts. Okay, so 24 for nuts and then 18 for bolts. How many package of each should be produced each day so as to maximize his profit if he operates his machines for at most 10 hours for a day? Make an LPP and solve it graphically. Okay, so they are clearly given data. We want to make a table here. Okay, first of all I write here nuts and bolts because they are describing only two objects only. So nuts and bolts, I take nuts as x and then bolt as y. Machine A and machine B, nuts having also machine A and machine B. Nuts A, machine timing is 2 hours and machine B timing is 3 hours bolt. Machine A timing is 3 hours and machine B timing is 2 hours. Okay, right. And then total hours. Okay, availability of total hours for the two machine is 10 hours only. So I quote here itself 10, 10. And then profit. Okay, for the given one is 24 and then 18. So I write here Z equal to 24x plus 18y. That is for the nuts having profit 24 and then bolts having profit 18. So Z equal to 24x plus 18y subject to the constraint 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 10. Okay, because at least 10. Okay, maximum they are utilizing only 10 hours. So I put here itself less than or equal to symbol. So 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 10, as well as 3x plus 2y is also less than or equal to 10. X and y are always greater than or equal to 0. Now we consider the inequalities as equations. So first of all I take 2x plus 3y equal to 10. Substitute x instead of 0 means y 10 by 3 and y instead of 0 means x is 5. Then I consider the second one 3x plus 2y equal to 10. Substitute x instead of 0 5. Y instead of 0 means 10 by 3, the value of x. So it passes through the point 0, 5 and 10, 0, 5, 10 by 3, 0. Now we solving these two equations, we get the value of x is 2 and y is 2. So the point of intersection is 2, 2. Now we want to draw the graph for the given one. First I consider this line, that is what? 2x plus 3y equal to 10. Okay, so here itself 0, 10 by 3, 5, 0. I draw this line first and then I consider the second line. This is what? 0, 5, 10 by 3, 0. This is for the second line. Both are less than or equal to. So we want to check as usual. 0, 0 you take and substitute here. So 0 is less than or equal to 10. So the shading region is below the line. Okay. So for two lines also having the below line, we want to take a common region only. So this is our common region. What are the points? They are the given feasible region consists of here itself what? 0, 10 by 3, 2, 2 and then this point is considered as 10 by 3, 0. So the corner points are 10 by 3, 0, 2, 2 and 0, 10 by 3 as well as 0, 0 also the point in the feasible region. So Z equals to 24x plus 18y. We substitute all the points and then here itself 84. Comparing all values, this one is the maximum. So the maximum profit is rupees 84 at 2, 2. That is when 2 package of nuts and 2 packages of bolts are manufactured. Thank you, students.